Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'm not good enough? Or maybe you start something exciting and then somehow you find a way to stop yourself halfway. That's what we call self sabotage. Nobody does it consciously, but it is usually fueled by patterns of negative thinking. With NLP or neuro linguistic programming, you can actually rewire those patterns and create new empowering ones. Let me show you how. Hi, this is Meghalata from Self Healing Mastery with Meghalata. If you are visiting this channel for the first time or if you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing to this channel because week after week, I try and bring out videos on health, healing or well-being related topics in this channel. Remember to click that little bell icon after subscribing so that you don't miss any videos. Alright? Now, before knowing the how of NLP, let's understand what is NLP. NLP is like the user's manual for your mind. It teaches us how our language, thoughts, and patterns shape our reality. Most of the time, when we sabotage our prospects, it's not because we are lazy or unworthy. It's because an old mental program is running in the background, just like an app on your phone. If the code is faulty, the results also will be faulty, right? So NLP helps us identify that faulty code and rewire our brain with something very powerful. Now, to apply NLP tools, the first step is to identify negative thought loops. Think about a moment. You want to apply for a new project, or you want to apply for a job, or you want to improve your health. Then suddenly a voice from inside says, what if I fail? What if people laugh? What if I can't keep up? The inner voice is a negative loop. NLP teaches us to catch that loop by bringing it to awareness. When you become aware of those negative thoughts, the simple question you can ask yourself is, whose voice is this? Where did I learn to think this way? Once you separate yourself from the voice, you already start breaking its power. One of the core NLP tools is called reframing. I'll help you understand what is reframing with an example. Imagine you are invited to speak in front of 1,000 people. Okay, your negative thought says, I am scared, my legs are shaking. You shift your thought pattern from scared, you reframe your words. Instead of saying, I am scared, you change the language. This is not fear, this is energy my body is giving me to perform well. Same situation, but completely new perspective, right? Now repeat this several times. As you repeat this, whenever the thought of fear, the thought of nervousness comes, your new neural pattern starts associating the leg shaking or that palpitation as the body's way of energizing you to perform well. That is how NLP helps turn fear into fuel. Another powerful NLP technique is called anchoring. I'll help you understand with an example. Imagine a situation where you have to give an interview and you're not very sure of how capable you are to face the interview board. Okay? So you feel little doubtful of your capability to face the interview. Okay, this is the situation. Now, how do you anchor yourself? You think of a time you felt unstoppable. Maybe achieved something in the past. Maybe you performed very well in the past in some area and you were praised by a lot of people. Okay, now in NLP, you can anchor that feeling by pressing your thumb and index finger together while recalling that happy memory vividly. Then, whenever negative thinking shows up regarding your upcoming interview, you trigger that anchor and your body instantly recalls that confidence state. This interrupts self-sabotage in the moment. This may sound very simple, but they come to your rescue instantly. And this is one of the most powerful NLP techniques which you should never ignore if you want to progress in life. So you learn it yourself, apply it on yourself, and also teach it to your children. This will be very helpful for the children when they are appearing for any competitive exam or any competition. The next technique is switch pattern. This also I'll explain through an example. Let's say you're trying to build a daily exercise habit, okay? But every morning when the alarm rings, the first image that pops into your head is you're hitting that snooze button and rolling back into bed. That picture keeps you stuck. You know, whenever you decide to get up and do the exercise in the morning, that picture keeps you stuck. Now here is how the switch pattern works. Now close your eyes, bring up that image of yourself hitting that snooze button. Okay, make that image very clear and bright in your mind's eye. Next, I want you to create a very empowering image of yourself. You're waking up, stretching, putting on your workout clothes, feeling energized after your exercise. This is the picture I want you to visualize in your mind's eye. Make it very bright, colorful, and full of good feelings. Okay, make this picture very vivid in your mind. The old image of you is standing here. That new image, that new empowered image is all standing on the left side. Okay. Now shrink down the existing image of yourself, which is hitting the snooze button. Make it small, dim, like a fading photo. Then use the word swish. Replace the old snooze image with the new empowering one instantly, like sliding it in front of the camera lens. Do like this. Swish. When you're pushing the hand like this, the old snooze image is going out and your brain is absorbing the new empowered image of yourself. The key here is not just saying it once or twice. You have to repeat it quickly several times. Say 10 times, 15 times. So your brain automatically links mornings with energy and action. Here is the truth. Self-sabotage is not who you are. It's just a pattern your mind has learned, and NLP gives you the tools to rewrite those patterns into something that supports your growth. Next time you catch yourself thinking, I can't, remember you can reframe, you can anchor, and you can switch. With practice, you'll find your inner critic turning into your inner coach. If this video had helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone who struggles with self-sabotage. If you're looking for any one-to-one support for your growth in any area of your life, be it health or career or relationship, you can click on the WhatsApp link given in the description box. We can connect through WhatsApp. See you soon in another progress-oriented video. Till then, take good care of yourself. This is Meghlata signing off with loads of love and tons of good wishes for your success.